Hey guys, so today I am doing a try-on haul. I haven't done a try-on haul in quite a while, so I thought I would do one. So first off is this bikini. This is just a really cute bikini. I was actually pleasantly surprised with this bikini because honestly bikinis just can go really like wrong sometimes, and yeah, I just feel like this is honestly like a go-to bikini if I want to put on a bikini. So next are just these bottoms. These are from Whitefox boutique, and the ones I showed before, those are from Tiger Mist. But these are just really cute, and they're actually really cheeky as well. They're still pretty cheeky, but I do like these because it's just such like a thick, stretchy material. It's like full coverage. I really love how these were made. I don't know, the fit is just incredible as well. So whatever they're doing it right. It's got the Whitefox logo there. I don't know if I already said that before. And honestly, I'm just obsessed with Whitefox boutique bikinis because they're just perfect. That's all I have to say. Like, I've been buying bikinis all my life, basically, so yes. So next is this pink bikini. This is like a really cute bubblegum pink. Again, they're the same exact style. I have way too many of these, but I just really love this style of the bikini. It's funny because some people joke and say that the bottoms look like diapers. I think that's hilarious, but this is the top. Really cute and ribbed. I like their bikini tops because they do like push up the girls. Next is literally the same bikini but in white. And yeah, so this is the top. This bikini is honestly like a staple bikini for my wardrobe. These are the bottoms. When I was younger, we had a pool in at like our apartment building, so I had tons and tons of bathing suits and bikinis, and my mom took me on lots of like beachy tropical trips when I was younger. So literally I used to have like a million bikinis, but I feel like now I am kind of just building up a new collection, which is also very fun. Next is the beige color. This is like a really gorgeous nude color. I had my eye on this bikini for literally like months and months because this color is just like, just makes me horny, okay? There, I said it. Okay. This is the top. Again, really cute. Gives the girls cleavage if you're part of the itty bitty titty committee like myself. The last bikini is this one right here. And I think all of these, yeah, all the bikinis except for the first set that I showed you are from Whitefox boutique. So this one is really cute. I just don't know if it's like for my body type. And then this is the top. I have like a love-hate relationship with this bikini top. Like, I don't know, it's really like awkward because of the like underwiring, but for some reason I really love it. So I keep gravitating towards it. So this is like a bikini cover-up. This is actually from Tiger Mist. And I got this in an extra small. I just didn't really know what size to get, but I feel like in Tiger Mist clothing, extra small seems to fit me pretty good depending on what item it is. But yeah, it's just like a really cute beach bikini cover up. This is great if you like just want to throw this on top of your bikini at the beach. Okay, so the next outfit is really, really cute. This top is from Tiger Mist and the bottoms are from Whitefox boutique. I got this on sale like a million years ago, but so cute. And the back is like this. I love the material. I feel like, I don't know, I just love Tiger Mist so much. So these are the pants. They look ginormous on camera, but I freaking love these. Sometimes I wonder if I should have gotten an extra small because this is like, I feel like these are really, really tight on my waist. I mean, I feel like these are loose on my waist, so I have to tie them up like crazy, crazy tight. But when I tie them up crazy tight, it makes like a weird thingy right here, and it gives me like weird lines that make it look like camel toe, and I hate that. Like, no. So if you have like a size 26 waist, then probably go for like a size extra small if you're wanting to buy these, but I freaking love these. And they just taper down at the bottom. I don't know about you guys, but I was like half girly girl, half tomboy as a child. And whenever I would be at my dad's house for the weekend, because my parents were like separated, my dad would always like put me in sweatpants and stuff like that, and t-shirts and whatever. And I have always had a really like soft spot in my heart for sweats. Who doesn't love sweatpants? It's like the best thing ever. And they also have those sweatpants in like other colors on the website. So they have black, and they have red, and they have white. Did not try this on because I wouldn't really be able to anyways, but this is just like a really, really cute bodysuit. It looks like this. So basically like your shoulders go right here, and then your arms go through here. So these things, like, they go around your arms like right here, and it's just really, really cute. I love this bodysuit so much. So freaking cute. And it's like full coverage, so it like covers your butt. Well, it's definitely not full coverage, it's sheer, but I mean like it's not a thong bodysuit, I guess is like what I meant to say. Oh, and that is from Tiger Mist. This next bodysuit is also from Tiger Mist. It's just this gorgeous, gorgeous baby blue color. And the material is just so, so soft. Like, I was kind of shook when I got this. When you put this on, it's just, the fit is just, I love this bodysuit so much. And like, honestly, bodysuits can be like a frigging disaster sometimes. So it's really, really nice finding like one that fits you. Just, oh, I love this so much. Oh yeah. Another thing I wanted to say is like, I can wear this without a bra, and that's like saying something, you know? Because I have like small titties. But anyways, like you just literally, you tie this, right? And you just pull those titties together. So these are just these shorts. These are really, really cute. They always come out with like really, really cute shorts. I'm not gonna lie, like my butt kind of hangs out of this, but at the same time, I kind of like it. Sometimes I just need like a skimpy pair of shorts. I got these in a size 8, so I feel like that's a size small on their website, but I don't know. But these are just so cute. Like why is this so cute? Tell me. Like someone please tell me, because I don't know why. but I love this, and I have loved this forever. Like, distressed denim is like, ah, it's just everything, right? I'm dying to get either an oversized jean jacket that is distressed, or like a cropped distressed jean jacket, or both, because I love those things so much. It's just this adorable romper from Tiger Mist. It's literally the cutest romper in the universe. Like, you can do so many looks with this romper. Do you understand? Like, do you actually understand that? I'm so like passionate about this romper. It's kind of a joke, but yeah, I'm just giving it to you like I normally do. Okay, anyways, I love this material because it's really, really stretchy and like thick. Oh, I'm just obsessed. And there's a zipper in the back. It's like very, very form-fitting, but like I said, so versatile. Like, literally, boom, put like a white t-shirt under that, baby white tee, you're done. Like, that's an outfit right there. You're done. Walk out the door barefoot. Like, you don't even need shoes, just go. Like, boom, bitch. Okay. The turtleneck, actually it's like a lettuce cut mock neck crop top. That's from Tiger Mist as well, but I don't have it in front of me, so I'm not gonna show you guys. But I do love that. That's the Alba crop, I believe. Also got that on sale. Anyways, I hope you guys really, really enjoyed my try-on haul. I love clothes. Like, honestly, fashion has always been a huge, huge, huge passion of mine and a huge part of my life ever since I was a little girl. So yes, clothes are very, very special to me, and I am just obsessed with style and clothing. Anyways, guys, if you guys liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up because it does really, really help me out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you guys down in the comments. Bye, guys.